Can you believe that robots are helping us to find new homes? That's right, and not just any robots, but AI chatbots. They're like superpower friends that are always happy to help. Today I will show you one of these robots that are really good in arranging house viewings. For those who doesn't know who I am, I'm ex-CEO of software development company helping real estate businesses to make digitalization smoothly. And now I own AI automation agency that helps real estate business to integrate AI automation solution to their business process. But first, let's learn more about this bot. Our bot friend is not a regular chatbot. This is a real estate chatbot. It's here to make life easier for everyone who is looking for a new home. The bot can show you apartments, schedule viewing, and cancel it if you change your mind. And it's not only about making our life easier. This is also great for business owners. They can focus on other aspects of the business while chatbot is managing book. And the coolest thing about our chatbot friend is that it's always up to date. It knows everything what's happening within business because it has secret source of information, so-called API. With this, chatbot can always show the latest information about apartments and the best time for viewings. Okay, let's see what our chatbot can do. So let's say Hi, welcome, how can I help? Let's start with first branch is I want to schedule an appointment. So that's great, there are such apartments available for scheduling a viewing. Let's say Rebecca Avenue. Okay, available on Sunday, Rebecca Avenue, price. Do you want to schedule appointment? What's your full name? My full name is Sviat Terletskyi. Okay, what's your phone number? Dummy. Schedule it. If you want to cancel, find cancel menu. Great, so we scheduled, and then let's make sure that our apartment is not visible anymore. Hello, I want to schedule appointment. As we see, there are just 2 left. It means it works. Great, now let's type hi. I want to view my appointment. Great, please provide your phone number. Sure, here it is. Here is your booking on Sunday, Rebecca Avenue, price. Great, the picture is different because it always generates new one just for showcase. Great, let's say I change my mind and I want to cancel it. So hi, I want to cancel an appointment. Please provide a phone number. Here it is. Are you sure you want to cancel Rebecca Sunday? Yes. Great. Appointment is successfully canceled. Have a nice day. And let's make sure it's really gone. So reload. Hi. I want to schedule appointment. And as we see, Rebecca Avenue is back. Sweet. Do you see this video helpful? Give it a like and leave a comment if you want to see more video like this. Thank you. Before we dive into the template of the bot press, I have to give you some theory, but if you want to skip between parts, I will leave the time code, so feel free to do this. As I said above, our chatbot is connected to API, which means it handles the real data and it always knows what is open, what is not, and so on. And for example, if some admin will add some apartment, chatbot will know about this and it also will display this information. Find the link in the description to find the template for bot press, and also I will provide screenshots. So what is API and why do we need it? Wikipedia says that API is application programming interface. This is basically a set of different rules that allows a lot of different applications to communicate with each other. If it sounds very complicated for you, don't worry. This is a lot like Zapier. You know, Zapier allows you to connect with a lot of different applications, right? Like connecting with Google Sheet, with Gmail, or another stuff. So for example, if you want to connect Gmail and Slack, you would use Zapier to get messages from the Gmail directly to your Slack, right? So Zapier can do this because Gmail and Slack both have APIs. Just like you have rules for those who can come to your house and do things what is allowed to do. APIs have rules about what information can be shared and how. For example, Gmail API allows Zapier to see every emails, but it doesn't allow to delete emails. Our case real estate chatbot can view the latest information about apartments, view appointments, and cancel them. So it's like our chatbot is connecting to Zapier, but instead of connecting Gmail and Slack, we're connecting our chatbot with database of viewings and apartments. So as you can guess, without APIs, our chatbot is not available to help people to find their dream homes. As you see, API is very important in the world of AI automation. Also, a few things about the tool what I use. APIs is not always about connecting application like Gmail or Slack. This is crucial for making some custom integration. For instance, in my AI automation agency, we often need to integrate our solution with unique systems our clients use. That's where custom API integration becomes key. To demonstrate how API works, I use Mock API for our showcase. Mock API allows us to simulate how real API works without us creating some very complex backend systems. This is a great tool for testing, and also this is great for these people who don't know what API is, so they can learn using this. If you're new to this world and looking to enhance your AI automation skills, I strongly recommend you to learn about API and play around with this. It will open up a lot of opportunities for creating a more powerful, customized automation solution. Find all links to the materials in the description. Don't miss out this chance to learn and boost your capabilities. So finally, after all of this story, let's take a look at the chatbot itself to learn how it works. So I said 100 times already, this uses API, what means it uses real-time data. And as I said, we have 3 branches. So first branch is book appointment. So let's take a look here. We have a simple choice. 3 scenarios. Let's start with first. Here we have simple code execution. So here we're getting data from the Mock API. What Mock API is, this is actually, as I said, this is faking a real API. So here you can play around with a scheme of the data. This is how it looks for me. You can edit here, you can fake in just auto generation. As I said above about picture, you see it always generate me a image of city, new URL. Very useful, you gotta try it. So I have 2 databases. One is apartments, so all apartments I have, some of them you see is available. False means that they're not available. And also here you see available days. So in this piece, I am getting, so this is my URL. You see this URL here, and apartments meaning the table what I want to, database what I want to work with, and available is a filter, meaning that I always want to see where I always want to search where is available is true, meaning apartments are available to book. Here I'm mapping and I'm getting a list of locations, and as you see here, this is a dynamic, so this is a variable where I store all apartments available and I display dynamically them one by one. Here I display which one exactly I want to find. After click, I choose location and see I have similar search, but I filtering by location. So I want to find the location what user just click. I'm saving to the variable, and then I show the next message and the image and also the price as well. Here I double check, do you want to schedule an appointment? I say yes, then it asks for phone number, and then it executes a code to store the lead into the lead databases. Here, as you see, lead data, we are collecting data here. First request means that I'm storing the leads into lead database. Currently it's empty. Then it updates the apartment by ID, and it says that it's not available anymore because I already scheduled this, and it provides the custom message that appointment is ready for location, for on day, and so on, and it ends. Pretty hard one, but after you will do it a few times, it will be much easier for you. Next thing I suggest to take a look on the view appointment, because it's pretty straightforward. Here we are asking for phone number, and the store is to variable. Here we are doing the request to get our lead by phone number and storing this to variable, and this is just nice display with a picture and nice messages, and we are finishing the conversation. And canceling, here we have also, it asks for phone, stores the phone to variable, and here we're asking we're looking for appointment by phone as well. Also it stores to the variable and generates the message, confirmation message. Are you sure that you wanna cancel this? Yes, no, no, leads to ending conversation. And if user selects yes, then it executes deleting the lead. So actually what it's doing, it deletes a lead from the leads database and also updates the apartment back to available, and it generates another message saying great, your appointment is successfully cancelled, and it leads to the ending of the conversation. This is very powerful chatbot that can lead you to next level of AI automation. I hope this video was useful for you. Check this video where I build another similar bot. Bye bye.